Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix the PrizePicks location error while signing in a simple step-by-step way. First, check if PrizePicks servers are up. Sometimes the issue is not on your end. If the platform is down or under maintenance, you will need to wait until service is restored before signing in. Next, check if you have multiple accounts linked to the same email. Having more than one account connected to one email can cause login and location errors. If possible, remove or unlink any extra accounts connected to your email and try again. Another fix is requesting a new verification link. Open the PrizePicks app or website and choose the option to resend or request a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, try signing in again. After completing these steps, reopen the app and sign in. In most cases, this resolves the location error. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with what you want to see next.